Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Victoria with TaxBandits, and we are excited to have you here with us today. I want to welcome everyone to the webinar. Before we get started, I want to ensure everyone can see the screen and hear me, and if you cannot, you will see a chat box where you can let me know if you are having trouble hearing me or viewing my screen. During the webinar, if you can't hear or see me, please chat in. So the holiday season has passed, which means one thing: tax time is here. Being overwhelmed might seem inevitable, but TaxBandits is here to help you prepare and file your 1099s, so you will be off to a great start for a successful tax season. So today we are an IRS authorized e-file provider. While we love to talk about taxes and have years and years of experience helping organizations with their filing needs, we are not tax advisors. If you need assistance with preparing returns or any other specific questions, please consult a certified tax preparer or the IRS directly. So let's begin. Today we will be discussing the forms we support at TaxBandits, what is Form 1099 Miscellaneous, who needs to file the forms, what information is required, and what the deadlines are and how to file. The webinar will be approximately 15 minutes, and there will be time at the end for questions. We offer a wide variety of forms covering miscellaneous income, real estate transactions, interest income, corrections, and more, as you can see listed here. Whatever your 1099 filing needs are, we have a solution. So Form 1099 Miscellaneous is an information return that is filed with the IRS, so the IRS can match vendor payments with the income they report on their tax returns. Essentially, it's telling the IRS what you paid contractors throughout the year and what contractors will owe as well. So do you need to file a 1099? Let's see. Did you pay at least $10 or more in gross royalties? File a 1099. Did you pay $600 or more in rents or compensation? File a 1099. Are you a direct sales rep and make direct sales of at least $5,000 of consumer products? File a 1099. What do these deadlines mean to you that are on the screen? As the employer, your contractor's 1099 must be post-dated by January 31st, and you have to have your information ready to e-file by March 31st, 2020. Using TaxBandits is a one-stop shop. Once your information is reported in the form, you are able to e-file it directly with the IRS through TaxBandits for the March 31st deadline. So what information do you need when you're filing your Form 1099? First, you'll need your payer details. That's your information, your name, your EIN, and your address. Next, you'll need the recipient details, which is the name, EIN, or social security number and address. So it's essentially who did you pay and the details related to that. Next, you would need any federal and state details that would need to be reported. Filing with TaxBandits is simple. If you haven't done so already, create a free TaxBandits account. From there, you will enter in your details and information. Next, enter in the recipient information. After that, you will enter in federal details and state details if needed. TaxBandits is a comprehensive, full-service tax filing, offering highly competitive pricing, saving you time and money. Filing with TaxBandits is quick and easy. Not only do we e-file your forms, you will also receive email confirmation after transmittal, acceptance, or rejection by the IRS, and you can print everything right from the print center in your account. We offer multiple services, including federal filing, state filing, postal mailing of the recipient copies. You can also take advantage of promotional pricing with prepaid credits, which guarantees the best price possible, and they never expire, so you can use them year after year. So e-file today. This is our TaxBandits website. You can see if you have an account, you can sign in. If not, over to the right side of the screen, you'll see don't have an account. You can create an account. You can also create a tax professional account if you are a CPA, CPEO, etc. So in summary, we talked about what forms are supported through TaxBandits, what the 1099 is, who has to file it, and the information required, the deadlines required with the 1099, and how to file tax with TaxBandits to simplify the process and to save you time and money. So now we will open up for questions to answer any questions y'all may have with us. So just type them in and we will answer them. So we have a couple questions coming in. So we will just jump right in. So the first question we have is, since the 1096 is not required when e-filing, how is it handled when e-filing with TaxBandits? So Form 1096 is still generated and used for record-keeping purposes. You will have the ability to print this form directly from your print center. Next question we have is, do you support combined federal and state filing for Form 1099 miscellaneous? And we do. We support the combined federal and state filing, the CFSS program, which will save you time when filing Form 1099 miscellaneous. The IRS will forward the information reported to the state, and then they will also keep a live document of all the states that are participating in the CFSS program. So another question we got is, yes, so do we offer discounts or promotional pricing? We do. Our clients have access to purchase prepaid credits. The pricing for these are based on volume of forms. So however many forms you need, the greater the discount. Another question is, how can you print a recipient copy prior to transmitting it? So what you'll do, as long as your account is a CPA or a tax professional account, you will have the ability to download the form prior to transmittal and for the recipient or for you to review. Thank you so much for that question. NEC. So we have a request to add 1099 NEC. Each year we are developing more and more tax forms and variations of the 1099, and we will definitely look into adding that one. Thank you. So we have another question about printing the recipient copy. In the print center, you will have the option to print specifically the recipient copy or your copy. So you'll have the ability to print just the recipient if needed. So we have a question about where to have the account number. I'm not sure exactly what is being asked there. So if you could email that question to support@taxbandits.com. And we will get that answer for you. So we have a specific question about the 1099 miscellaneous and what goes in each of the boxes. If you could send that question over to support@taxbandits.com, we will be able to answer that one for you as well. So we went ahead and posted some feedback, just asking if this webinar was helpful. So if you could answer that, that would be great. So thank you so much for that feedback. The question was today's webinar helpful? And we have about 50% that did get some assistance from it today. So we're going to post one more question just asking for some feedback. What was your reason for attending today's webinar? And if you would like to leave us some more feedback about additional topics or areas of interest that would help in your business that we can address, please give us an email to support@taxbandits.com. We want to make sure that we're giving the information that will make your business run smoother and simplify your day-to-day operations. So again, that is support@taxbandits.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. And we thank you so much for your feedback. And we'd like to invite you all to join us for our next webinar, Complete and File Form 941 for Payroll Taxes. Now that we've simplified the process of filing your 1099 forms, we're going to help you prepare to file your 941s. And that webinar is next Wednesday as well at 2 p.m. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for joining our webinar today. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week.